Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to find people on Facebook without knowing their name. This task can be challenging, but it is not impossible. So here are some tips that might help. First, search by email address or phone number. If you have an email address or phone number associated with the person you are trying to find, you can search for them on Facebook using that information. Simply type the email address or phone number into the Facebook search bar and see if any result come up. Next, search by location. If you know the general location of the person you are looking for, you can search for them by tapping the city or state into the Facebook search bar. You can also use Facebook's People You May Know feature, which suggests people you might know based on your location and the locations of your Facebook friends. Also, if you know where the person is from or where they frequently visit, you can search for location tags and see if they have posted anything there. Another way is by using interests or hobbies. If you know the person's interests or hobbies, you can try searching for related groups or pages on Facebook and see if they have joined or liked any of them. Next, search by workspace or school. If you know where the person works or went to school, you can search for them by typing the name of the company or school into the Facebook search bar. You can also try searching for Facebook groups associated with a workspace or school, as the person you are looking for may be a member. Lastly, use Facebook's graph search. Facebook's graph search allows you to search for people based on a variety of criteria, including interests, activities, or even relationships. To use the graph search, simply type your search terms into the Facebook search bar and select See More Results at the bottom of the drop-down button. From here, you can filter your search result by location, education, and other criteria. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to find people on Facebook without knowing their name, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.